We have the IOCCC Most Likely to Teleport Award.
That's moving us to a different place, I assume.
I assume maybe Scotty's responsible.
Mm-hmm. We'll see. But let's see. Let's teleport ourselves to the trophy.
Bring in the trophy.
And the IOCCC Most Likely to Teleport Award goes to Roxanne van der Pol from Belgium, Jan Halsema from Netherlands, and Simon Henninger from Germany.
Yes, and they presented us with this fun little looking C code source here, this little critter with the nice sort of thumbs up thing. You have a little bit of a hint as to what might be going on here. Again, all good C code, clearly documenting. It does have this thing about saying I can look at that lava lamp for hours, boing, boing, as a string. There's a little bit of mystery there. I can certainly look at that thing there. It's the lamps I have, we'll show you, there, but yes, we can look at lamps for hours, but what does it do? Well, looking at the source code itself, we have a bunch of defines, and we have an M function, a main function, and there's the end of the main, and then we have this weird, I can look at that lava lamp for hours, boing, boing. There, you might say, well, what's going on here for that? This, when you run it, you get a usage, and the try.sh gives you a usage message. But let's let Pat Landon run this program and see what this game does.
Well,
take away from Pat Landon.
I'd be happy to play the game. So the game has essentially 4 main commands of movement, A, D, W, S, and a T for teleport but teleports moves you, but it lowers your score by 3. Now, we have 3 authors of this amazing entry, so I wonder if the 3 authors selected lowering by 3 because there's 3 authors. Good and bad if there was even more authors, so I guess this is okay. But let's play the game. Okay, so here we're going to play the game, and when we play the game here, start the game, this is our little dungeon. And we are at the little @ sign, and I can start moving towards these goals. I want to stay away from the bad folks, and because otherwise, run away. Whoops, wrong direction. Come on, get my fingers going. But now maybe can I run up? Can I run up and grab? Yes, because if I can get 3 of these guys, then I'll be able to teleport my way out. So there's 2, there's 3, and now I got to get to that down. I got to get to the greater than symbol, because that's the down to the next dungeon level. Because I think those other baddies are going to, monsters are going to get me. So if I do a teleport, I say, oh, and I teleport to a nice spot. The question is, can I get around that guy? Ooh, it's gonna hurt. So, owie. Okay, so now it immediately dropped me down here. I can see that I have more gold stuff I can go for. So I can get this thing here. Go and grab this one. And you can't go diagonal. So I went over too far, and I'm going to overshoot. But I can go down to this down arrow and escape that stuff. So let's see. Oh, I'm kind of far away. So I'm sort of in a bad state. But I do have 3 scores, so I could teleport easily. The question is, can I get around to that? Fortunately, the baddies it's kind of like Snake. The monsters are not ultra intelligent. Maybe they get, I don't know, do they get smarter as you go down? Whoops. So you see, that's set there. And I think if I end up, so I got a score of 6, and I can head off to grab these gold things here. Again, it's like nice little dungeon stuff, but I'm kind of stuck in. And if I keep run away, and like Rogue, I can actually go up. So let's see what happens if I go up. Whoops. Oh, that hurt. I lost some points, hit points there. Let me see if I can get up to the top. And there is floor 1. And what happens if I end up trying to escape through the up hatch? I'm at floor 0. Oh, well, does that mean I can go to floor -1? No, there's no down floor. So if you go up too far, then you get a down floor. So that is there. Sorry about the little software update. But that's the basic game. It's kind of fun to move around. You have to kind of get used to how the monsters move, and sometimes accept that you're going to get caught and move around. It's kind of fun. That little string on top, the ArcV, is sort of I think of it sort of as the describes the actual dungeon run or setup. So you can play that again if you wish. I got a score of 11, and if I quit, it says, yeah, I got a score of 11. So that's sort of a play there. So take it away, Future Landon.
Well, thank you, Past Landon, for showing us how that game is played. There's a challenge. And I would say the challenge would be this: to take a program and modify it, an alternate version that has an amulet of Yendor. So make it a comma, put it on level 26 or deeper, disallow you to go up until you have to go down to level 26, find the amulet of Yendor, in which case unlocks it so you can go back up. And if you reach level 0, then it prints a wedding message and exits. So see if you can enhance the program to do a roguelike Amulet of Yendor thing. But congratulations, Roxanne, Simon, and Jan, for their first winning out of the entry. Lots of fun.